Assistage Inline Training. Introduction to Assistage, Overview and Capabilities. Assistage is a comprehensive digital workforce platform developed by Edgeverve Systems, a subsidiary of Infosys. It's designed to help organizations automate and optimize their business processes using a combination of robotic process automation, RPA, artificial intelligence, AI, and analytics. Here's an overview of its key capabilities. Overview of Assistage. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Assistage provides RPA tools to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks. It can handle various processes such as data entry, invoice processing, and customer service operations to increase efficiency and reduce manual errors. AI and machine learning. The platform integrates AI and machine learning capabilities to enhance automation. This includes natural language processing, NLP, for understanding and processing unstructured data, as well as predictive analytics for making informed business decisions. End-to-end automation. Assistage supports end-to-end automation, meaning it can handle tasks from initiation through to completion. This includes integrating with existing systems, managing workflows, and ensuring that automation processes are seamless and efficient. Digital Workforce Management. The platform provides tools for managing a digital workforce, including scheduling, monitoring, and scaling bots according to business needs. It also includes analytics to measure performance and optimize operations. Process mining and optimization. Assistage includes process mining capabilities to analyze and visualize business processes. This helps identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and opportunities for further automation. Integration capabilities. Assistage can integrate with various applications and systems, including legacy systems, cloud applications, and enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems. This ensures that automation is not restricted by existing IT infrastructure. Security and compliance. The platform adheres to security and compliance standards, providing features like role-based access control, encryption, and audit trails to ensure data protection and regulatory compliance. User-friendly interface. Assistage offers a user-friendly interface for designing and managing automation workflows. This includes drag-and-drop functionality, pre-built templates, and a visual process designer. Key benefits. Increased efficiency. By automating routine tasks, Assistage helps organizations streamline operations and reduce operational costs. Improved accuracy. Automation reduces human error, leading to more accurate and reliable process outcomes. Enhanced agility. The platform's flexibility allows businesses to quickly adapt to changing requirements and scale automation efforts as needed. Actionable insights. Process mining and analytics provide valuable insights into business operations, helping organizations make data-driven decisions. Assistage Automation Suite. Key features and benefits. Assistage Automation Suite is a comprehensive automation platform designed to streamline business processes and enhance efficiency. Here are some key features and benefits. Key features. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Task automation automates repetitive, rule-based tasks across various applications and systems. Bot orchestration manages and schedules bots to handle tasks effectively. Intelligent automation, AI integration, utilizes artificial intelligence for decision-making and natural language processing. Cognitive capabilities includes capabilities such as document processing and machine learning. Process discovery. Process mining identifies and maps out processes for better optimization. Analytics provides insights into process performance and areas for improvement. Digital workforce management. Bot management, centralized control and monitoring of digital workers. Performance metrics tracks and analyzes bot performance to ensure efficiency. Compliance and security. Role-based access control ensures secure and compliant access to systems and data. Audit trails maintains records of bot activities for compliance and auditing purposes. Integration capabilities. API support integrates with various systems and applications through APIs. Pre-built connectors provides out-of-the-box connectors for common business applications. User-friendly interface. Low-code, no-code allows users to design and deploy automation solutions with minimal coding. Drag-and-drop designer simplifies the creation of automation workflows. Scalability. Cloud and on-premise deployment offers flexibility in deployment based on organizational needs. Elastic scaling scales resources up or down based on demand. Benefits. Increased efficiency. Reduces manual effort and speeds up processes, leading to faster turnaround times and higher productivity. Cost savings. Lowers operational costs by minimizing manual labor and optimizing resource utilization. Enhanced accuracy. Minimizes human error by ensuring consistent execution of tasks according to predefined rules. Improved compliance. Ensures adherence to regulatory requirements through detailed audit trails and controlled access. Assisted RPA, enhancing productivity through automation. Assisted RPA by Edgeverve is a comprehensive robotic process automation (RPA) platform designed to enhance productivity and streamline operations through automation. Here's a detailed overview of how assisted RPA can help in boosting productivity. Key features. End-to-end automation. Process automation automates repetitive, rule-based tasks across various applications and systems. Intelligent automation combines RPA with AI to handle complex tasks such as decision-making and unstructured data processing. User-friendly interface. Drag-and-drop designer allows users to design workflows using a visual interface without needing deep technical knowledge. Pre-built templates offers reusable templates for common processes to accelerate deployment. Advanced analytics and insights. Performance monitoring tracks the performance of automated processes with real-time dashboards and reporting. Process analytics provides insights into process efficiency and areas for improvement. Scalability. Cloud and on-premises deployment, flexible deployment options to suit different organizational needs. Scalable architecture supports scaling from small to large enterprise environments. Integration capabilities. API and web services integrates with various systems and applications through APIs and web services. Legacy system integration connects with legacy systems without requiring significant modifications. Robust security. Role-based access control ensures that only authorized users can access sensitive information and functions. Audit trails maintains detailed logs of all automation activities for compliance and security auditing. AI and machine learning. Cognitive automation utilizes AI to enhance automation capabilities such as natural language processing, NLP, and image recognition. Predictive analytics uses machine learning to predict and mitigate potential issues before they arise. Benefits of assisted RPA. Increased efficiency. Reduced manual work automates repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on higher value activities. Faster processing speeds up task completion and reduces process cycle times. Cost savings. Operational cost reduction minimizes the need for additional human resources by automating routine tasks. Error reduction reduces errors associated with manual processes, leading to cost savings in quality control and correction. Enhanced accuracy and consistency. Error-free execution ensures consistent and accurate task execution without human error. Standardized processes applies uniform procedures across different departments and functions. Assisted Engage revolutionizing customer service. Assisted Engage is a customer engagement platform designed to enhance and streamline customer service interactions. It offers a range of features aimed at revolutionizing how businesses handle customer interactions. Here's a breakdown of its key components and benefits. Key features. Omnichannel support. Provides a unified interface for managing customer interactions across various channels, including email, chat, social media, and voice. This ensures consistent and seamless communication. AI-powered chatbots. Uses artificial intelligence to handle routine queries and tasks, allowing human agents to focus on more complex issues. AI chatbots can provide instant responses, improving response times and customer satisfaction. Automated workflows. Automates repetitive tasks and processes, such as ticket creation and escalation, which helps in reducing manual effort and improving operational efficiency. Advanced analytics. Offers insights into customer interactions and agent performance. This data can be used to identify trends, measure satisfaction, and make data-driven decisions for continuous improvement. Personalization. Provides personalized interactions by using customer data and interaction history to tailor responses and recommendations, enhancing the overall customer experience. Knowledge management. Includes a centralized knowledge base where both customers and agents can access relevant information and solutions. This helps in resolving issues faster and more accurately. Integration capabilities. Integrates with various CRM systems, ticketing tools, and other enterprise applications, ensuring a seamless flow of information across different platforms. Self-service options. Empowers customers to find solutions on their own through self-service portals and knowledge bases, reducing the need for direct interaction with support agents. Benefits. Improved customer satisfaction. Faster response times and personalized interactions lead to higher levels of customer satisfaction and loyalty. Enhanced efficiency. Automation and AI reduce the workload on human agents, allowing them to focus on more critical and complex issues. Better insights. Advanced analytics provide valuable insights into customer behavior and agent performance, enabling businesses to make informed improvements. Consistency across channels. Omnichannel support ensures that customers receive a consistent experience regardless of the channel they use. Assisted discover, process discovery and optimization. Assisted Discover is a tool designed to enhance process discovery and optimization by providing insights into business processes and identifying opportunities for improvement. Here's how it typically works. Process discovery. Data collection. Assisted Discover collects data from various sources within an organization, including system logs, transaction records, and user interactions. Process mapping. The tool uses this data to create a visual map of the organization's processes. This helps in understanding how processes flow and where there might be inefficiencies. Process analysis. It analyzes the data to identify patterns, bottlenecks, and areas of variation in the processes. This includes understanding how different tasks are performed, the time taken for each step, and the frequency of different process variations. Process optimization. Performance metrics. Assisted Discover tracks key performance indicators, KPIs, related to process efficiency, such as cycle time, error rates, and throughput. Bottleneck identification. It identifies bottlenecks and inefficiencies within the processes by analyzing the collected data and performance metrics. Recommendation engine. Based on the analysis, it provides recommendations for process improvements, such as streamlining steps, automating tasks, or reallocating resources. Implementation support. Assisted Discover may offer tools and features to help implement the recommended changes, such as automation workflows or integration with other process management tools. Benefits. Improved efficiency. By identifying and addressing process inefficiencies, organizations can reduce cycle times and operational costs. Enhanced visibility provides a clear view of how processes are executed, which aids in better decision-making and process management. Data-driven insights uses data-driven insights to drive continuous improvement and optimize processes. Assisted Cloud, leveraging cloud for scalable automation. Assisted Cloud offers a powerful platform for scalable automation by leveraging cloud technologies. Here's a breakdown of how Assisted Cloud can enhance your automation strategy. 1. Scalability. Elastic infrastructure. Cloud platforms provide elastic resources, allowing you to scale automation processes up or down based on demand without worrying about physical hardware constraints. Global reach. Deploy automation bots across various regions to ensure consistent performance and responsiveness for a global user base. 2. Flexibility. On-demand resources. Access computing power and storage as needed, enabling rapid deployment and testing of automation solutions. Integration capabilities. Seamlessly integrate with various cloud services and APIs to expand automation capabilities across different platforms and applications. 3. Cost efficiency. Pay-as-you-go. Reduce upfront capital expenditures with a pay-as-you-go model, which allows you to pay only for the resources you use. Reduced maintenance costs. Cloud providers manage infrastructure maintenance, reducing the need for in-house IT resources. 4. Enhanced security. Robust security measures leverage the advanced security features of cloud providers, including encryption, access controls, and compliance certifications. Disaster recovery. Implement cloud-based backup and disaster recovery solutions to protect automation workflows and data. 5. Performance optimization. Load balancing. Use cloud-based load balancing to distribute workloads efficiently and prevent performance bottlenecks. Monitoring and analytics. Utilize cloud-based monitoring tools to gain insights into automation performance, identify issues, and optimize processes. 6. Innovation and agility. Rapid deployment. Quickly deploy and update automation solutions, facilitating faster innovation and adaptation to changing business needs. Access to emerging technologies. Integrate with advanced technologies such as AI and machine learning offered by cloud providers to enhance automation capabilities. 7. User management. Centralized control. Manage user access and permissions through a centralized cloud-based console, ensuring streamlined administration of automation resources. 8. Collaboration and integration. Seamless collaboration. Collaborate with distributed teams effectively using cloud-based tools and platforms. Integration with SaaS applications. Automate interactions with popular SaaS applications, enhancing productivity and streamlining workflows. Assisted AI and machine learning. Intelligent automation solutions. Assisted, developed by Edgeworth Systems, integrates AI and machine learning into its intelligent automation solutions. Here's an overview of how it incorporates these technologies. Key features. AI-powered automation. Cognitive capabilities. Assisted leverages AI to handle complex tasks like natural language understanding, image recognition, and decision-making. This enables automation of processes that require human-like intelligence. Machine learning integration. Predictive analytics. Machine learning models are used to predict trends and outcomes, which can optimize decision-making and process efficiencies. Adaptive learning. The system learns from new data and experiences, improving its performance over time and adapting to changing conditions. Robotic process automation, RPA. Enhanced bots. RPA bots powered by AI can execute repetitive tasks with increased accuracy and efficiency, reducing the need for manual intervention. Intelligent analytics. Data-driven insights. Assisted provides advanced analytics that help in identifying patterns and insights from large volumes of data, leading to more informed decisions. Natural language processing, NLP. Enhanced interaction. NLP capabilities enable better interaction with users through chatbots and virtual assistants, facilitating automated responses and support. Process discovery and mapping. Automated discovery. AI algorithms analyze existing processes to identify areas for automation and optimization, streamlining workflows and improving efficiency. Exception handling. Dynamic responses. AI-driven exception handling ensures that unusual or complex scenarios are managed effectively, minimizing disruptions. Use cases: customer service, automating routine queries and support tasks with AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. Finance, streamlining financial operations, such as reconciliation and compliance, through intelligent automation. Healthcare, automating administrative tasks and analyzing patient data for better care and operational efficiency. Retail, enhancing inventory management and personalized customer interactions using AI and machine learning. Why choose ProExcellency for AssistEdge online training? Choosing ProExcellency for AssistEdge online training can offer several benefits. Expert trainers, ProExcellency often has experienced instructors who are well-versed in AssistEdge and its functionalities. Their expertise can provide valuable insights and hands-on experience. Comprehensive curriculum. The training programs are usually designed to cover all key aspects of AssistEdge, including its features, best practices, and real-world applications. Flexible learning options. Online training provides the flexibility to learn at your own pace and convenience. ProExcellency may offer various formats like live sessions, recorded content, and interactive modules. Practical approach. The training often includes practical exercises, case studies, and projects that help in applying theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. Certification preparation. If you're aiming for certification, ProExcellency's training may be tailored to help you prepare for certification exams and ensure you understand the key concepts. Support and resources. Ongoing support and access to additional resources, like forums or help desks, can be beneficial for clarifying doubts and getting further assistance. Reputation and reviews. Positive feedback from past students and industry reputation can be a good indicator of the quality of training provided by ProExcellency. Thank you.